Hello, I am Rakesh and welcome back to our channel Parga Sparrow. This time I am back with another trek to Harishchandragarh and along with one of the highest peaks in Maharashtra, Taramati Peak, Kokankada and Kedareshwar Temple. We left from Pune at 11 am and this is how our journey began. Once you reach Ganesh Khind, you can see the mighty mountains and a scenic view of Sahyadri. From Ganesh Khind, we reached Khireshwar base village within 30 minutes. There we bought some snacks, parked our bike and started to climb at 3 pm. We suspected it might rain, we were ready for it, however it didn't. Instead, the weather was hot. Beginning of the trek was climb free, but it was very exhausting. And halfway later the climb started around the edges of the mountain. A bit frightening and exciting view. Our energy was very high at the beginning of the trek, but within 2 hours, I was very tired, and the Diwali wet played its role. A bit of more walking, and we were on the 6th highest mountain in Maharashtra. Our aim was to witness sunset. On the top of Taramati, there is a small temple and a Bhagwa flag, symbol of Swarajya. To avoid getting lost, follow the arrows, stones and various symbols on your way. There are also sometimes road blocked, so you should avoid them. We assembled our tent, ate some snacks and slept. We slept for very few hours and woke up early to witness the sky full of stars. After a while, we made a setup for cooking. The wind was very low, so we took advantage of it, made some coffee and then Maggi. Taramati Peak is named after wife of the King Harishchandra. It was about time to gain some energy, and the sunrise lifted our spirits. And after staying for long hours and cleaning the site, it was time to say goodbye to Taramati Peak. Now we were heading to Kokankada.
समोर डायरेक्ट एंड असेल.
The most anticipated part of journey began. An hour of climbing up and down from Taramati, we reached to the non-visited side of Kokankada. This part of Kokankada is not much visited. Although the view is majestic, you can see the overhang on your right and the rest of the Sahyadri to your left.
तो आहे तिकडं ओव्हरहँग. जिथून काही लोकांनी काम केलं होतं.
This part of Kokankada is not monitored and there are no barriers. Although we were very precautious and extremely careful. After resting and enjoying the view, we started walking towards center of Kokankada to the famous overhang. The weather was clear and we waited for clouds to arrive. I didn't dare to cross the barrier. However, Vikas couldn't stop. As soon we were heading to our next destination, the fog, cloud and wind started rolling. We had to stay to witness the reverse fall of clouds. There was one more place to visit. Temple of Harishchandreshwar. This temple exhibits finest sculpture and symbolizes ancient art of temple carving. I was stunned to see the details on the stones. If you observe the temple, it will remind you of another temple from thousands of kilometers. The story of this temple and the fort goes way back to the age of gods and kings. We met two gentlemen, they were following Vari. They told us a story, the story of Harishchandra and Vishwakarma. Around the Chandreshwar temple, there are many more small temples at the base of Taramati peak. And also a beautiful Saptatirtha lake. Right beside the Harishchandreshwar temple is a cave of Kedareshwar. Inside is a big Shankar Linga. This is the biggest linga I have ever seen, and the water around is cold like a glacier. There are many myths and stories around these caves, and the story involving Harishchandra, his family, and the Vishwamitra. Later, locals told us if you travel so far, you must take a dip in this holy water. Luckily, I did before knowing. As I mentioned earlier, that we met two gentlemen who were following Wari, and they told us the story of Harishchandra and Vishwakarma.
आणि विश्वामित्राची ही गादी मग
How Harishchandra gave up his all the wealth and legacy to Vishwakarma, and years later, Vishwakarma had to give it all back.
3.5 तोळे सोनं मला दे.
Once we started to climb down from Harishchandragarh, within 2 hours, we were at the base village of Kireshwar. We sat there for a while, drank a lot of water, and we were ready to return home. A few years back, 17 people were lost for nearly a day. Villagers and some trekkers had to carry out a rescue mission to remove them from a critical position. So I would recommend, if you are going to visit Harishchandragarh, Konkan Kada or Taramati Peak, make sure you are being guided by someone who knows the fort very well. You can always ask the locals for help. They will always offer guide at a reasonable rate. Comment below which part you like the most, and if I'm missing some information, you can always leave in the comments and I'll make sure to pin it for others. Thank you. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and share with your friends.
नावच आहे कर तू असं तुझं नाव जाईल आता. कर ना करताय
पुढं